For today's recipe, I'm going to take 250 grams of deveined prawns. To that I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Along with that, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Here I'm also going to add some lime juice to it. And lastly, some salt as per taste. After adding all these ingredients, I'm now going to mix all these spices really well with the prawns. After mixing all of these spices really well with the prawns, I'm then going to add 1 beaten egg to it. Along with that, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of cornflour. I'm now going to mix this really well with the prawns and keep it aside. After mixing the prawns and keeping it aside, I'm then going to take a pan and add enough oil to deep fry the prawns. After adding the oil, I'm then going to wait for the oil to become nice and hot before adding the prawns to it. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm then going to gently add the piece of the prawns to it. After adding the piece of the prawns, I'm now going to fry this for 3 minutes until the prawns become nice and crisp. Also, as you've noticed here, I've not added all the prawns at once because you do not want to overcrowd them and you're going to make it into 2 to 3 or 3 batches. As you can see here, I've now finished making the second batch of the prawns and the prawns are nice and crisp. At this point of time, you can now switch off the flame and you can plate it with either some onions or you can also add some lime juice to it. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.